Okay, so here's the first example. Solve using the quadratic formula. This equation right here. Is that equation in the form that we need it to be so that we could use quadratic formula?
Yes.
What does it have to look like before you can start pulling off the A, B, and C? Yeah, remember that we derived this thing from that equation. Standard form equals 0. So you need to have a 0 on one side. So how can I put this into standard form equals 0? Subtract 2, right? So subtract 2, subtract 2. 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, now is that in the right form? Okay, what are the values of A, B, and C? A is 3, B is negative 5, C is negative 2. So that's what you're going to plug into this formula. X equals negative 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 2 all over 2 times 3. Okay, that's just plugging in for the 3 letters that are there. Okay, now we need to do some simplifying. Okay, the first one, negative 5 is the positive 5. What is negative 5 squared?
25.
Positive 25. That is usually a place where there's going to be a mistake, that you're going to put negative 25 here, but it's actually positive 25. Right? Minus, and what is 4 times 3 times negative 2? Negative 24, right? Over 6. X equals 5 plus or minus, what's 25 minus negative 4? 49, right? It's minus a negative makes plus, so that is 49 divided by 6. And yeah, now the square root of 49, that's a perfect square, so this works. X equals 5 plus or minus 7 over 6. Okay? So when you see the plus or minus, that means you got 2 answers here. One of them is going to be 5 plus 7 over 6. The other one will be 5 minus 7 over 6. Right? 5 plus 7, 12. 12 over 6, which is 2. 5 minus 7 is negative 2 over 6, which is negative 1/3. No, you need to simplify.